learn how to do the natural looking eyebrows that you see some celebrities rock. It's not that hard, it's just a simple trick. I'm going to do this video in two ways. The first one is using a gel, edge control gel. Look at it, as you can see, it's a wax. They use it to hold the edges, and a brush, an eyebrow brush. If you don't have this, another way to do this is get yourself a soap, a bathing soap of your choice, and a toothbrush, old toothbrush. So stick around and watch me do this. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across me, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.